What's up, guys? We're here in the D collectibles. We're doing the filler for the Bowman case. It's only Noah and Kyle in this one. Everyone except one person, so everybody's gonna win. It's just a matter of who wins, or sorry, the one spot that doesn't win. So we're gonna go live. We're gonna run this just like a Raz, live at 4:46, and it is 4:46 here in Denver. We're going to get a fresh list for you guys. Noah and Noah on the bottom. And we're going to go 3 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2. Let's expect how I expected to see the list. Second time stamp. In at 4:46. Just turned 4:47. Third and final time, guys. Top 9. Noah. Kyle. Noah. Noah. Kyle. So, Kyle, you didn't lose. So, it's not bad. Sorry, let me go and get the third timestamp. That third timestamp is in at 4:47, 4:47, and then I will line you guys up with your teams real quick. Did I make a mistake here? Did I just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Oh, I took the entire list, that's why. So, Noah, you got the Astros, Kyle, the Indians, Noah, the Angels and the Giants, Kyle, the D-backs, and Noah, you got the Mariners, Pirates, Cards, and Rockies. There you guys have it.